like Japanese stuff a lot, like Japanese food and ramen and all. I feel like Delhi में नहीं पूरे India में culture चल रहा है. We are influenced by Western culture a lot, so that's why I think I am also influenced by Japanese people. I don't talk about politics. मेरे को rage issues हो जाते हैं. Is because I think we are not happy with our own culture. Western culture की तरफ इसलिए भाग रहे हैं because हम लोग अपनी situation से इतने खुश नहीं हैं.
ओके तो फिर जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो कि इन्होंने नरूटो का एक कॉस्ट्यूम पहना है. सो व्हाई नरूटो?
Because it's cute and I'm a gamer, so I mostly make gaming cosplays. So this was like the only anime cosplay I had in my wardrobe.
Okay. What's your favorite game?
Valorant and I think CS. I mean all the toxic games that are available in India.
Okay.
Yeah.
The only thing which is not Japanese is your new nose ring over here.
I mean, Japanese people wear these kind of accessories, I guess.
But the
yeah, you
design
can
is
say that. Yeah, it's like very, how do you say, tribal kind of design. Yep. I never remove my piercing. I don't know why in any of the cosplays. I just like to keep it on.
Okay.
Yeah.
आपको ये headband ये सब कहाँ से मिला आपको?
Okay, so this is rented. Like दोस्त कब काम आते हैं, दोस्त का है. ये जैकेट भी दोस्त की है, ये भी दोस्त का है. Rest is mine. It's like बच क्या गया.
The pants are yours.
The pants are mine, the wig is mine, and the shoes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Where do you get the wig from?
I usually order it online. There are like different pages where you can, order stuff and then just design it like your way.
Oh,
According to that. Yep.
And why Japanese culture or why Japan?
I like Japanese stuff a lot, like Japanese food and ramen and all. I feel like Delhi में नहीं पूरे India में culture चल रहा है. We are influenced by Western culture a lot, so that's why I think I am also influenced by Japanese people.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your favorite ramen?
I think it's the pink bulldog, the pink packet. I
Yeah.
forgot the flavor of it, but yeah, it's that one.
Any favorite Japanese restaurant here in Delhi?
I'm not good with names, but there are like a lot of good Japanese restaurants in
It's okay.
restaurants in Safdarjung Enclave and the Horse Cars. I forgot there was this. The names are really weird. It's just hard to remember them. I know the location. Oh, there's this restaurant called Nudes in Safdarjung Enclave, and I remember it because I saw nudes. And I'm like, bro, what?
Nudes, yeah.
Nudes.
Yeah. And your favorite anime other than Naruto?
I think it's probably Hunter x Hunter because it revolves around like the friendship of two people, and I have been very unlucky when it comes to friendship, so I like that anime a lot.
Oh, okay. And do you think Doraemon comes under the category of anime? Doraemon, Shinchan.
That's, I think, yeah, it's animated. I think it comes under the category. I mean, anime category. I don't know. My friends try to trigger me by saying, anime is a cartoon. I'm like, okay, bro, I agree. It's okay.
And your name?
My real name is, from DDLJ, Simran. But my stage name is Akito Ryuk.
What was your parents' reaction after seeing this costume on you?
My mom is really supportive. Like she finds it all like okay. My dad in start he was like, what is she doing? And now he's like used to it.
He just got used to you.
He got used to it. He just looks at me and he's like, okay. I have no words.
Okay, anything you want to tell to your fans, to our audience?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm a gamer. So I actually started cosplaying because of gaming. My first cosplay was Gecko from Valorant, and I got into anime and cosplaying just because of gaming. So yeah, I feel like I am a grown woman who loves childish things, and people make fun of me that look, she's so funny and all that, but I just want to tell people, as long as you're enjoying your life, you have to have that, that bachpana in you to survive this stressful, environment.
Let's ask an offbeat question. What's your political stand?
I don't talk about politics. मेरे को rage issues हो जाते हैं. I'm sorry, I cannot.
Are you happy?
बहुत anger issues हो जाते हैं. I cannot. That's why my mom says कि बच्चा बाहर ना politics में तुम मत घुसियो. कोई भी conversation कर रहा हो ना, just stay away.
Are you happy with the present day government? The expression says it all.
I mean, the reason we are inspired by Japanese people a lot is because I think we are not happy with our own culture. I feel like that. I mean, I'm not saying all of them. People are going to be like, oh, हमारा इंडिया भारत का culture यार. But I feel like हम Western culture की तरफ इसलिए भाग रहे हैं because हम लोग अपनी situation से इतने खुश नहीं हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I know people might be happy, भाई हम दिल्ली से हैं, खाना. The thing that I like about India is the food. That's it.
Nothing else.
Food and sweets. And kuch festivals. I don't like Diwali. I just like Diwali because you know everybody is happy and all that. But इतना उस time पे इतना pollution हो जाता है. Me and my mom we both are always sick जब भी कोई festival होता है उस time पे. Even होली के time पे भी we are always sick because वो colors वगैरह से I'm allergic to it. But ठीक है, कुछ लोगों को मजा आता है उसमें तो I have no comments. जिसको जिस चीज में खुशी मिलती है उसको वही करना चाहिए.
Okay. So your message to Indians?
My message to Indians will be stay happy यार, जो भी कोई situation हो. एक दूसरे को blame मत करो. Government को भी blame मत करो. I will say don't blame the government. Just try to bring change yourself. I mean हम लोग बहुत hypocritics है because हम government को blame करते हैं कि भाई government ये नहीं कर रही है and खुद जाके कचरा फैला देते हैं सब जगह. So I feel like government को blame करने से अच्छा तुम खुद में change लाओ and I think government will listen to us as well.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure talking to you.
Likewise. Thank you.
Okay, जैसे कि आपने सुना कि इन्होंने अपना जापानीज एनिमे का कैरेक्टर का नाम बताया, उनका खुद का नाम बताया, गेमर है. उनको इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में भी थोड़ा सा सवाल पूछा, थोड़ा ऑफबीट सवाल पूछा गया था और फिर उन्होंने उसके लिए भी जवाब दिया था. ओके, इसी से मैं समाप्त करता हूँ. मैं आदित्य आचार्य, कैमरामैन लोकेश ठाकुर, न्यूज़ पथ, दिल्ली.